How you doing, Mama? How you doing, Mama?
I just fine.
My name is Nadima. What be your name?
My name Edoka. What my water name na Orue. Because he give me Oruo.
What be the first one I do today? Where all of them they happy, they dance, they celebrate.
Eni-okpe, the juju for the altar, we dey do the festival. That's why everybody they happy.
So what did they pray? They wish today.
Today we serve Eni-okpe. May we get blessing. May we born children. May we get money. Make our children not suffer.
Yes.
Now we dey pray for any bad evil. Today, if they not serve this one, they not to serve Eni-okpe. Because now woman.
Okay, now woman
be our mother. Okay. So we serve her before Eni-okpe.
They start from here before they go.
Before that side.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Nadima. What will be your name, sir?
My name is Daniel Ashafa. I'm from Ozoro here. This Oruo, what we serve here so? If they breast woman when they never pregnant to pregnant. If they do our feast and never feast. You get the kind you do when they serve. If they not serve this one, they don't serve the other one, the big one. So they first they serve this one before they serve the big one. Produce children for women when they do not born. Produce money for people to make everything soft. So now me be the audio of this place. So if they serve am, now woman I dey serve am, not be say na man I dey serve am. So that is why you see say na that woman I dey serve am. And that woman is my sister.
Okay, na woman dey serve am.
Na woman dey serve am.
No be man dey serve am.
No be man dey serve am. Na woman dey serve am. So na so.
So for here now, they no fit start any festival if they never come appease am.
If there dey be festival, no be festival. Na this one dey dey first start before no be. Na so.
How many years they don start dey worship am?
Very long time o. Very long time. You don tell where we never serve am. But when the community say they wan serve dem no be, that is why we serve this one first before they serve dem no be.
Na woman na dey worship am.
Na woman na dey serve am. Na woman na dey worship this one. Na man dey go there. Man when you dey go there, you go vow. If you do for am, if you get money, get anything, get children, you go vow. If you vow, you go bring the vow.
So all these women wey dey na dey here, na dem dey worship am.
Na all these women when dey dance, na the people when dey follow my sister dey serve this Oruo.
Like this one na dey serve am, wetin you don benefit from am.
You never benefit anything o. You never benefit anything.
No, like as una dey so, una dey answer for children, dey answer for wealth, you dey do am for una.
You dey do am for us. You dey do am dey give us.
Well.
Yeah. So any woman dey here when you never pregnant, when you never born, if you come here, you go pregnant, you go born.
People don dey come dey tell am thank you.
Yes o.
Wetin be that your name again?
Oruo.
Oruo.
They dey call am Oruo. Na woman.
Oruo.
Woman to ekpe.
Woman to ekpe.
Yeah.
Na here wey we dey na ozoro.
Na ozoro.
Thank you, sir.